Wait, what is that? Is that a wallet? Someone must have lost this. What should I do? Good morning. Today looks like a beautiful day. I hope today will be interesting. Maybe something exciting will happen today. I should not be late for school. I still have time. Today will be a normal day. Wonder what will happen today. This breakfast tastes very good.
I am glad you like it.
I have school today.
Have a good day at school.
The weather is very nice today. I enjoy walking to school. The morning feels peaceful. Today will be a good day.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Emma.
Are you walking to school today?
Yes, I always enjoy walking to school.
Did you finish the math homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
That homework was very difficult.
I can help you if you want. Good morning, class. Today we will learn something new. I hope this lesson is interesting.
I think today's lesson will be math.
Please open your books to page 20. This is an important example. I need to understand this.
This problem looks difficult.
Please pay attention and follow carefully.
Finally, the class is finished.
That lesson was long. Remember to complete your homework.
I am happy school is finished.
Me too.
What will you do after school today?
I will walk through the park.
The park looks beautiful today.
Yes, it is very peaceful here.
I like walking here after school.
This is my favorite place.
I need to go home now.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Have a nice evening.
You too. The park is very quiet now. I enjoy peaceful places like this. It feels relaxing here. I wonder if something interesting will happen today. What is that? It looks like a wallet. Someone must have dropped it. I should check it. This really is a wallet. It looks new. I wonder who lost this. There is no one here. Let me see what is inside. There are many cards here. There is also money. Someone must be looking for this. There is a lot of money here. This is not just a little money. The owner must be very worried. I need to think about what to do. Wow, this is a lot of money. I have never seen this much money before. This must be very important to someone. I cannot just ignore this. Is anyone here? Did someone lose a wallet? There is no one around. I need to find the owner. Maybe there is an ID card. Yes, there is a name here. The name is Mr. Brown. Now I know who lost this wallet. The name is Mr. Brown. He must be the owner of this wallet. He is probably worried. I should try to return it. What should I do? This money could buy many things, but it belongs to someone else. I must return it. There is so much money here. I could buy many things with this, but this money is not mine. I must do the right thing. I could buy a new phone, or maybe a new game. I could also buy new shoes. Always be honest.
Doing the right thing is important.
My parents always say that. I will return this wallet. Emma, I found a wallet.
A wallet? Where did you find it?
In the park.
Is there money inside? Really? A wallet full of money?
Yes, there is a lot of money inside.
What will you do with it?
I want to return it. The owner's name is Mr. Brown.
Is there an address on the card?
Yes, there is an address.
Then you should go there.
You should return the wallet. I was thinking the same thing. It is the right thing to do. Yes, I will return it.
You should go to the address.
Yes, I will find Mr. Brown. I am proud of you. I will return his wallet today. I must find Mr. Brown. He probably needs this money. I hope he lives nearby. I will return it today. The address must be somewhere here. I hope I find his house. This neighborhood looks familiar. I will keep searching. The address must be somewhere here. I hope I find his house. This neighborhood looks familiar. I will keep searching. Let me check the address again. Number 23 Maple Street. It must be one of these houses. This must be Maple Street. I need to find number 23. I hope I am close. I will find Mr. Brown's house. This is number 23. This must be Mr. Brown's house. I hope he is home. I will return his wallet. This must be Mr. Brown's home. I hope he is here. I will give him his wallet. I am ready. Hello? Is anyone home? I found something important. I hope Mr. Brown is here.
Hello, can I help you?
Are you Mr. Brown?
Yes, I am.
I think this belongs to you. I found this wallet in the park.
My wallet! I was looking everywhere for it.
I wanted to return it.
Thank you so much. I was very worried.
I am glad I found it.
You are a very honest young man. Everything is still here. All the money is inside.
I did not touch anything.
You are a very honest boy. Please come inside. Oh, that is okay. I want to thank you properly.
That is very kind of you.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You did something very good today.
I only returned what was yours.
Would you like something to drink?
A glass of water would be nice.
I will bring it right away. Thank you very much. Here is your water.
Thank you.
You are a very honest young man.
My parents taught me to be honest.
Where did you find the wallet?
I found it in the park.
I was walking there this morning.
That is where I saw it on the ground.
Now I remember. I was sitting on a bench in the park.
Yes, I found it near a bench.
I must have dropped it there. You helped me very much today. I thought I had lost everything.
I am happy I could help. There are not many people like you.
Please take this.
Oh, I cannot take that.
It is a small reward.
I did not return the wallet for money.
I understand. Your honesty is more valuable.
Thank you.
Your parents raised you well. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live a few streets away.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with my mother and father.
When I was your age, something similar happened to me.
Really?
I once found a lost watch. I returned it just like you returned my wallet. The man who lost the watch was very grateful.
What did he say?
He said honesty is very important. I believe that too. Always keep your honesty. Honest people build trust.
I will remember that.
It will help you in life.
I should go home now.
Thank you again.
I am happy I could help.
You did a wonderful thing today. I am very thankful. It was the right thing to do. Not everyone would do that.
My parents taught me well.
Have a safe walk home.
Thank you, Mr. Brown.
I will always remember your kindness.
I am glad I could help. That felt good. I am happy I returned the wallet. It was the right thing. My parents would be proud. Emma, I returned the wallet.
Really?
Yes, Mr. Brown was very thankful.
I knew you would do the right thing.
How was your day?
It was very interesting.
What happened?
I helped someone today. I found a wallet in the park. A wallet? Yes, and I returned it to the owner.
I am very proud of you.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome home.
Dad, something interesting happened today.
Oh, really?
I found a wallet in the park today.
A wallet?
Yes, and I returned it to the owner.
You did the right thing. You showed great honesty today. I only did what felt right.
Kindness always matters.
We are proud of you.
I feel really good today.
Doing the right thing always feels good.
You made someone very happy. I am glad I helped.
Today was a good day. I helped someone. I did the right thing. I will always remember this day. Today I found a wallet. I returned it to the owner. The man was very thankful. I learned that honesty matters. Today was an important day. I made the right choice. I helped someone. That feels really good. I feel peaceful tonight. I did something good. I will sleep well. Tomorrow will be another good day. Good morning. Today feels good. I am ready for a new day. I will always remember yesterday. The morning is beautiful. Yesterday changed something. I learned something important. Honesty really matters.
So you returned the wallet.
Yes,
I knew you would.
it was the right thing to do.
You must feel proud.
Yes, I do.
You helped someone.
And I learned something important.
The park feels peaceful today.
Yes,
Small actions can make big differences.
I understand that now.
Yesterday could have been very different,
Yes,
but you made a good choice.
I am glad I did.
They look very happy.
Yes,
Small good actions can change the world.
maybe one day I can help more people.
This was a good morning.
Yes,
Yesterday started a new story.
and it will stay with me forever.
I am glad everything worked out.
Me too.
You made a difference.
Sometimes small things matter most.
I will see you later.
See you later. Have a good day.
You too.
Sometimes small choices matter. A simple decision can help someone. Doing the right thing is always worth it. And honesty will always guide me.